First, ensure your Mazda CX-50 is fully started, not just in accessory mode. A weak electrical connection is a common cause of the black screen. Next, check that your battery voltage is above 12.6 volts when the car is off, and ensure all wiring connections are secure. Check the 10-amp infotainment fuse in the engine compartment or cabin fuse box. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. Resistance should read near 0 ohms. Replace if blown. Try a hard reset by holding the infotainment power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. For deeper issues, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. Note that this will reset your saved settings. The Mazda CX-50 infotainment system relies on complex software. Bugs and software glitches are frequent causes of failure. Mazda releases over-the-air updates to address these, so ensure your system is up to date. Many issues stem from software integration problems with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking ahead, Mazda is migrating to a more robust Android-based platform to improve reliability. Hybrid models expected in 2026 may also provide more stable power, reducing voltage-related problems. Remember, if basic fixes don't work, consult a professional to avoid voiding your warranty.